In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Canon LBP 6030 printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome. The moment you have opened it, here at the search bar, type for Canon LBP 6030 printer driver and click on the enter key, and in that way you'll be able to see a list of results. So please proceed to the result which has support image class under ph.canon, which is an official website for a Canon printer. Click on this link, and in that way you would be able to be navigated to this new window where here you would be able to see the printer driver. So by that you need to scroll down, and there you can see a drop down menu where it will automatically detect the operating system, which is Windows 11, and it will be set here the language as English. Okay, so once you've set it, click on search, and eventually you'll be able to see this one. So click on this link, and it will ask you to agree on the license agreement. Just click on yes, and in that way you can now start the downloading process. In my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then download it. So to check the progress, you can navigate here at the top right corner. You can see the download icon, and kindly wait until the procedure would be finished. In my case, again, I have already downloaded it. So we just have to navigate to this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. Okay, so once you are here, please make a right click and click on this cut icon, and then close the windows being opened here, and here at the desktop, please make a right click and click on paste. So once you have pasted this file here, you need to double tap to unzip or extract the file, or either make a right click and use the WinRAR tool to extract this one. So go with WinRAR and go with extract to LBP6030, and in a few moments you can now start the procedure. So kindly wait until a new file folder would be created, and once it's here, we will now start the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe, and please give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. So by that, navigate here at the start, make a right click here, and then you need to scroll up and click on the settings. Okay, so here at the settings, please proceed to the left pane and locate for Bluetooth and devices. Click on it. And under this window, you need to navigate with printers and scanners, where you can see an option called Add Device. Click on it, and in a few seconds, you will be able to reveal another option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on Add Manually, and a new window would appear, which is this one. Go with Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on Next, click on this down arrow key, and you need to choose among of these three USB ports. It could be one, two, or three. Once you've set it, go with Next and click on Have Disk and go with Browse. And since our extracted file has been placed at the desktop, then we need to navigate here on the list, and with the extracted file, double tapped, and go with UFR2, double tapped, Yuki underscore ENG, double tapped, and proceed for x64 since Windows 11 has x64 based PC, and go with driver, double tapped here, and eventually you'll be able to find the printer driver. Click on open and click on OK, and eventually you'll be able to see this one. So click on next and rename that. In my case, I'll be renaming it into Canon LBP 6030. Click on next, and it will now start the installation. Please wait until this would be done. Once done, click on next. Click on finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Canon LBP 6030 printer driver in your Windows 11. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and have a good day, everyone.